Accelerated learning. 10 strategies to learn faster and smarter. Introduction. Learning Reimagined filled circle. Most people waste hours trying to memorize information ineffectively. Filled circle. Learning is a skill you can improve with the right strategies. Filled circle. Today, you'll discover how to hack your brain's learning potential. Filled circle. Are you ready to transform how you absorb information? Strategy 1. Learn by doing. Filled circle. Hands-on experience is the most powerful learning method. Filled circle. Watching tutorials is not enough. You must take action. Filled circle. Embrace making mistakes as part of the learning process. Filled circle. Challenge. Pick a skill and start practicing today. Why mistakes matter. Filled circle. Your brain learns faster when you fail and correct. Filled circle. Mistakes build real neural connections. Filled circle. Experience is the ultimate teacher. Filled circle. Reflection question. What skill are you afraid to try? Strategy 2. Teach what you learn. Filled circle. Explaining concepts out loud strengthens understanding. Filled circle. Teaching reveals gaps in your knowledge. Filled circle. Try explaining concepts to. Filled circle. Friends. Filled circle. Imaginary audience. Filled circle. Yourself in the mirror. Filled circle. Bonus. Answering questions deepens learning. Strategy 3. Multi-sensory learning. Filled circle. Engage multiple senses simultaneously. Filled circle. Combine. Filled circle. Visual learning. Filled circle. Auditory input. Filled circle. Physical interaction. Filled circle. Read aloud. Filled circle. Take notes while listening. Filled circle. Create mind maps. Strategy 4. Spaced repetition. Filled circle. Ditch cramming forever. Filled circle. Review information at increasing intervals. Filled circle. Example learning schedule. Filled circle. Day 1. Initial learning. Filled circle. Day 2. First review. Filled circle. Week 1. Second review. Filled circle. Month 1. Final review. Filled circle. Moves information from short-term to long-term memory. Strategy 5. Gamify your learning. Filled circle. Turn learning into a game. Filled circle. Create challenges and rewards. Filled circle. Set specific goals. Filled circle. Track your progress. Filled circle. Compete with yourself or others. Filled circle. Trigger dopamine release to stay motivated. Strategy 6. The 80/20 rule. Filled circle. Focus on the 20% of efforts that produce 80% of results. Filled circle. Identify key learning elements. Filled circle. Avoid getting overwhelmed. Filled circle. Prioritize essential skills and knowledge. Filled circle. Example. Learn basic guitar chords first. Strategy 7. Ask questions. Filled circle. Embrace curiosity like a child. Filled circle. Ask. Why? How? What if? Filled circle. Go beyond surface level learning. Filled circle. Make connections between concepts. Filled circle. Challenge existing information. Strategy 8. Short study bursts. Filled circle. Study in 10 to 25-minute focused sessions. Filled circle. Prevent mental fatigue. Filled circle. Take breaks between learning periods. Filled circle. Maintain high concentration. Filled circle. Improve memory retention. Strategy 9. Surround yourself with experts. Filled circle. Learn through osmosis. Filled circle. Network with skilled individuals. Filled circle. Join groups and communities. Filled circle. Attend workshops and events. Filled circle. Absorb knowledge from those more experienced. Strategy 10. Brain optimization. Filled circle. Prioritize sleep and exercise. Filled circle. Sleep helps memory consolidation. Filled circle. Exercise increases brain performance. Filled circle. Benefits include. Filled circle. Improved focus. Filled circle. Enhanced creativity. Filled circle. Better information retention. Learning mindset transformation. Filled circle. Learning is a skill you can improve. Filled circle. Take consistent action. Filled circle. Experiment with strategies. Filled circle. Stay curious and motivated. Filled circle. Enjoy the learning process. Your learning journey begins now. Filled circle. Choose one strategy to implement today. Filled circle. Set a specific, Achievable learning goal. Filled circle. Track your progress. Filled circle. Celebrate small victories. Filled circle. Keep challenging yourself. Reflection and action. Filled circle. What skill will you learn using these strategies? Filled circle. Which technique resonates most with you? Filled circle. Commit to your learning journey. Filled circle. Remember, learning should be fun and effective. Final thoughts. Filled circle. You have the power to learn anything. Filled circle. Implement these strategies consistently. Filled circle. Be patient with yourself. Filled circle. Enjoy the process of growth and discovery. Filled circle. Your potential is limitless.